kids, welcome to VEDV publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers.
Tux Paint. Hey there, little artists. We bring you to the coolest software for creative minds. Let's create something amazing together. Come with me. Today, we are going to explore an amazing painting program called Tux Paint, specially designed for kids like you. Features of Tux Paint. Tux Paint, a popular painting software for kids, is packed with a range of exciting features that make it fun and user-friendly. Here are some of its key features. Kid-friendly interface. Tux Paint has a colorful and intuitive interface designed specifically for children. It creates a welcoming and engaging environment that encourages young artists to explore their creativity. Wide range of tools. Tux Paint offers variety of tools that allows kids to paint, draw and create. These tools include paintbrush, erasers, stamp tool, text tool, stick wand and many more. Each tool has specific functions to help children to express their ideas and bring their artwork to life. Fun stamps and shapes. Tux Paint provides an extensive collection of stamps and shapes that kids can add to their artwork. These stamps range from animals and objects to various themes designed. They allow children to easily enhance their drawing and make them more lively and playful. Special effects and filters. Tux Paint includes special effects and filters that children can apply to their artwork. These effects add a touch magic to their creation, such as sparkles, rainbow, and even distortions. Kids can experiment with different effects to make their artwork unique and visually captivating. Text and labeling. Tux Paint features a text tool that enables kids to add words, captions or labels to their artwork. It helps them personalize their drawing, write their names or convey messages in a fun and creative way. Colorful and customizable brushes. Tux Paint offers a wide range of colorful and customizable brushes. Kids can choose different brushes and sizes, shapes, adjust opacity and select from a vibrant color palette. These options allow children to paint and draw with precision and express their artistic vision effectively. Easy saving and printing. Tux Paint makes it simple for kids to save their artwork. It provides a convenient gallery where they can easily access and review their previous creations. Moreover, Tux Paint allows printing, allowing children to proudly showcase their artwork by creating physical copies. Multi-language support. Tux Paint supports multiple languages, making it accessible to children from various cultures and backgrounds. It ensures that kids can navigate and enjoy the software in their preferred languages. Starting Tux Paint. To start Tux Paint, follow these steps. Click on the Start button. Click All Apps. Click Tux Paint. Paint loads, this picture on the title screen will appear. Main screen of the Tux Paint. The main sections of Tux Paint's main screen are Canvas. This is the central area where you create your artwork. It's a blank space where you can draw, paint and add various elements to bring your imagination into life. Main menu. Located at the top of the screen, the main menu provides access to different options and tools. It allows you to navigate through Tux Paint's features and customize your painting experience. Toolbar. Toolbar is usually located on the left side of the screen and contain a row of colorful icons representing various tools. These tools include paintbrush, eraser, stamp tool, text tool and many more. Each tool has a specific function to help you create and enhance your artwork. Color palette. Tux Paint offers a color palette that allows you to choose different colors for your drawing. It usually appears at the bottom of the screen and offers a wide range of vibrant colors to make your artwork visually appealing. Gallery. On the right side of the screen, you will find the gallery. This section displays the saved artwork created using Tux Paint. It's a convenient place to browse through and revisit your previous creations. Conclusion. That wraps up today's chapter on Tux Paint. I hope you had fun learning main sections of Tux Paint like Canvas, main menu, toolbar, color palette and gallery. Practice using these Tux Paint and discover the incredible things you can create. Feel free to share your work with us. We would love to see your masterpieces. Remember to save your work regularly so you never lose your progress. Until next time, take care and keep shining. Goodbye. See you in the next chapter.